So imagine if you could get micro-targeted leads ready to buy from you. If you've ever wondered what the easiest way to convert your prospects into sales is, then here's the secret. Give people what they want. While I know that sounds too simple and like, duh, common sense, the reality is that implementing this is actually harder than it sounds. This is simply because most of your customers don't know what they want. Some do, but most don't. So bear with me for just a second. How much easier would it be to get leads and sales if people told you what they most desired? Then all you have to do is simply point them in the right direction and they'd buy. You don't have to spend hours trying to beg them to buy either. How much easier would it be and how much faster could your business grow? Here's how to do it. Through segmentation, or in other words, creating a very specific email list that caters to a very specific need and demographic. You're essentially helping the person move closer and closer to the next steps, your products and your services. And you can achieve this goal through surveys. Announcing the brand new 9-part step-by-step video course that shows you how to discover how to generate micro-targeted leads that are ready to buy your products and services today. Now, here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about what you need to have to get started and how to get into the right mindset. Video number 2, we'll talk about why surveys are so powerful. Video number 3, we'll talk about your end goal. Video number 4, we'll talk about your product and service. Number 5, we'll talk about the buyer that fits the product and service. And we'll take a look deeper at the buyer in video number 6, the typical day. And video number 7, we'll talk about the survey 4. Video number 8, we'll talk about the mind map and we'll map out the whole funnel. And then in video number 9, we'll take everything you've learned in the prior videos and show you how to implement them so that you can begin to segment your leads. So go ahead and grab this video course today and learn how to generate high quality leads.